Welcome back. Now when we have entered and cleaned our data, we should be moving ahead with analysis. And the first analysis we usually conduct is reliability analysis. Reliability of an instrument. This is, you see, an instrument. The questionnaire we developed is an instrument. There are questions for measuring each construct and subconstruct. For example, these 4 questions we have used to measure the construct of knowledge acquisition. Okay. So the reliability, there are many types of reliability. It can be inter-respondent reliability, inter-item responsibility, and it can be over the time reliability. But we are usually only concerned with this inter-item reliability. Inter-item, what is it? Inter-item reliability. I mean, look, these 4 questions or 4 items are supposedly measuring the same construct. So they should get, comparable marks or comparable values. For example, if someone is giving this, is responding to this with 5, he or she should respond to other items with 5 or 4. Okay. If someone is responding to this as 4 and this as 1, then there is some problem. How can, if these are the items of the same scale, how can one get 5 and others 1? Okay, there can be a few cases like this, but if this is the consistent pattern, then we would say that our scale is not reliable, meaning its items are not well related to each other. Okay, so the reliability is usually the first analysis we conduct. And how do we conduct it? We go to analyze, okay, and then we go to what? Scale, choose reliability analysis. Okay, now here we will need to show the variable names. Okay, first we will check the reliability of this construct acquisition. We will select all these 4 items which measure acquisition and move them to the other side. Okay. Then we will go to statistics and choose scale if item deleted. Okay. And then we'll choose continue and then OK. Okay. Now look. This is the output which tells us case is valid 152, no case has been excluded, okay, 100% cases. This Cron-Bashes alpha tells us the, this represents reliability, and it is said that it should have a value of greater than 0.7, although 0.7 is still low, but it should have a value of 0.7. In our case, it is 0.853, which is good enough. Fine. And now what? This will tell us that if we delete this item, okay, our reliability will be 0.812. If we delete this item, we will get a reliability of 0.82, 0.79, 0.835. So we do not need to delete any of these items, because as a result of deleting these items, our reliability is not increasing. Okay. Now we can go back and test the reliability, check the reliability of other instruments as well. Okay, once you have performed an analysis and want to repeat it, you can use this sign here. Okay, this button here. If you click this button, you will see the recent analyses that you have conducted, and we will choose reliability analysis, and by default it will show us the variables that we had previously selected. We will move them back to the other side, and then we will choose the items of the next scale, that was application. Okay, we will press OK, and it shows us a value of 0.812. Again, if you look at this, our reliability is not increasing as a result of deleting any item, so we do not really need to delete it. We can go back and conduct another reliability analysis. Okay, let's see this. This is share. We conduct this again. This is 0.809, and it is not increasing by deleting any item. Okay, fine. We'll move those back, and job performance, there are how many? 9 items for job performance. Okay, now let's see. It's 0.815. Okay, and if we take a look, it is not increasing by deleting any item, so this is good. Again, we do not need to delete any item for this as well. And then what is this? .950. Goodness me, 0.950. That is quite high reliability, and it will not increase by deleting any item. So we are good here. All our scales have good reliability, and now we can move further with our analysis. Okay, for example, look, it is telling us that if we remove this item from our calculation, our new reliability will be 0.94. Okay, now for example, let's go back and move this towards the other side. Okay, okay, now we click. Now you see we get a reliability of 0.946. Okay, so these outputs you can copy from here. You can double click those. Okay, and you know you will get this, but to copy you do not need to copy it. You do not need to double click it. You will just click it and then right click it. You will copy, and you can take this to a Word file and paste it here simply. Okay, so you can copy output from SPSS and paste in some Word file that you want to. So this was the reliability analysis. That is how we conduct reliability analysis, and once we have conducted reliability analysis, we can move ahead with other types of analysis.